Channel update. Okay. Hi YouTube. I was at work yesterday when I got the email that I received the ADBox. So what this is a business program. This box goes in the router. And let's unbox. So here is the ADBox itself. Pretty fancy looking thing. Wow. Look at that. That, my friends, is the ADBox. Pretty interesting how this little device gets you money. So I'm going to take a picture of the ADBox. Are you back yet?
Yeah.
Look at the Facebook messages. Sent you 4 photos above, then a bowl of food, and then the ADBox. This gold thing, guys, is what earns money, and all you do is scroll through Facebook. So this is the ADBox. See what else is in the box. More brown tissue paper. This is the wall plug. Yet another Android charger. So let's open this. Really easy stuff to open. Okay, so I take it. This goes... Okay, I see it. Here's the little USB. That's the port where this charges in to plug into the wall. Power adapter, obviously. And so this would be my charger. Or not charger, but power adapter could be a charger for a phone and stuff too when I'm not using the ADBox. But they want the ADBox to stay in all the time. And then we have our Ethernet. Then we have our Ethernet cord, which goes from this to the router. And of course, the manual. RentYourSocialMedia.com. Welcome and thank you for choosing to be a part of RentYourSocialMedia.com. We know that you will soon realize just how sweet of an opportunity that it is, so run with your friends, tell them all about it, and encourage them to sign up. Below are all the instructions you'll need to set up your ADBox. And don't worry, the process is super simple. Just follow the instructions below and you will be running in a matter of no time. Let's go down the checklist. Yay! Checklist. Okay. ADBox. Power outlet, obviously I have them. Router and modem, check. Micro USB charger, check. And the Ethernet cord, check. Okay, when you receive the unit, it will come completely assembled in a protective case. So only your job is to get it running. Plug the ADBox into an outlet using the micro USB charger. When plugged in, a light will appear next to the micro USB port. See image 3. Okay, so let's go plug it in. And I ended up getting more, what is this called? Bubble wrap. The ADBox came in bubble wrap. And the charger was in this Ethernet. Bubble wrap was with the box came. So I want to keep all that together. And okay, now let's go put the ADBox together. Do 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 do. Okay. Plug it in, plug it in. Okay, so the box. Stuff out of the way. Okay. ADBox, check. Charger, check. Where did I set the Ethernet cord? And Ethernet cord. Which is perforated. Maybe I can scissors. Cut the Ethernet bag open. Cool. Now, open sesame. Aha! Ethernet. Everything's so brand new looking. Ha! Now we untangle this thing. Okay, Ethernet on done. Step 1. When you receive the unit, it will come assembled in a protective case, so only your job is to get it up and running. Plug the ADBox into an outlet using the micro USB charger. So, let's unbox the charger. Maybe I should go get my phone. Do. Coming with me to be on the video. Okay, so unwrap micro USB charger. Done. Plug the ADBox into an outlet using the micro USB charger. Plug it in, plug it in. Okay. Now into the ADBox. They don't give you a diagram for that. Ah! Light is on. Next, connect the ADBox to your router or modem using the Ethernet. Ooh, it's all lit up. This is trippy. It's flashing green. guess it doesn't matter which part it goes in. Now what? Now just double check, triple check that you have the ADBox in a safe place where it will not be bothered and where it will remain connected at all times. It is also a wise idea to inform any household members to not mess with the device as well. Well done, the ADBox is all set up. You will begin receiving a $25 check mailed on the first Monday of every month for every month that you are in the program. Most ads will run approximately 3 to 5 months.
You don't need that here on it. Jesus. What?
Okay, so that's that. All the lights are on and everything else. Now what? I guess I just use it. And that is that, guys. So let's look at this thing while it's all plugged in. So now, shut all the lights out. See, it's all lit up. The red for the USB, flash screen back here. Pretty neat little thing. And that's that. We just let it sit there and that'd be it. So that was unboxing the ADBox.